It's Christmas time again, so I thought I'd do a couple of really quick videos to show you some of my favourite Christmas recipes. This also coincides with Spotty Kite's first full Christmas album, containing all the songs we've written and recorded over the past 3 years. You might hear a few of them in the background as I go. The first recipe I'm going to show you is my version of a Christmas mince. Now, if you're like me and you really can't get organised enough to soak it for a month before Christmas, well, this one's perfect because it really only takes about 20 minutes. The first thing you need to do is organise all your dried fruit. Now, you can pretty much put anything you like in this. I just go for the ones that I like the best, although I don't actually put lemon peel or orange peel in because, as we know, that's actually poisonous. Right, I've got a few things to chop up. Let's get started.
What will we give to Santa? Let's bake him a Christmas cake. A carrot just for Rudolph, so his tummy doesn't ache. Old Santa.
The next thing you're going to need is a great big pot and a goon of port. Now, I don't really know how much port to put in. I usually just eyeball it. Depends on how much fruit. You want the fruit to soak up all the port. So for me, I'm going to fill it up about a quarter of the way.
Santa will need supper, cookies and mince pies. We'll set the table waiting so Santa Claus can rest. I hope he loves our presents, 'cause Santa Claus is the best. Let's make a card for Santa with scissors and with glue. We'll wish him a happy Christmas and a happy New Year too. We'll leave him.
Once you've got all your fruit in with that boiling port, give it a stir, turn it down to a simmer and let it sit there for about 20 minutes, half an hour, depending on how much fruit you've got. I've got quite a lot in this one. You may need to add a little bit more port as you go if it gets too dry, but you just want it to get to a beautiful jammy consistency.
Cookies and mince pies.
Well, that's been bubbling away for about half an hour now. I did add a couple of more glugs of port along the way just to get it nice and sticky. Now, if you want a really, really jammy fruit mince, you can leave that for another 10, 15, 20 minutes if you like. Be very careful though, it's a lot of sugar in there, so it will stick to the bottom. I'm going to keep it like this though, because I do like there to be a little bit of crunch left in those apricots and figs. Once your Christmas mince has cooled down, you can put it into a container. Now, this will keep in the fridge indefinitely because there's a huge amount of sugar that's in dried fruit. The next couple of videos, I'll be showing you a couple of the recipes where I use this as one of the ingredients, including Christmas mince pies, some Christmas fudge, and my personal favourite, a mud cake with Christmas mince in it. I should also mention this makes a great Christmas gift. A little jar of Christmas mince to your loved ones. You can get them to serve it with some beautiful vanilla ice cream. Makes a fantastic Christmas dessert. Of course, as usual, you can find the recipe on musicalmenus.com.au, and don't forget to hit subscribe on YouTube. Now, next video is one of my favourite Christmas recipes. It's my gingerbread Christmas mince pies. See you then.